Hello, welcome. My name is Joshua. This is day 106 of my day trading journey. And so today I did take a trade, and it's gonna be the start of my new forex actual journey. Cause I did take a trade, but it was on futures. It was on the uh, S&P E-mini futures, and basically the trade, I'll go over it. So I have actually switched up my actual trading plan pretty much. It's not really that different, but it's more like what is it called? This trade wasn't really that great. I'm just gonna go over it real quick. But I basically changed how I used the daily buys and my actual buys. So before I used to actually base it off the 4 hour and 1 hour, but now I base it off the daily to find where I want the market to actually go for the day. But I started using the 1 hour to find my liquidity sweeps, because back if you go even a few videos back, not even like one video, and you'll find that I was just using 5 minute time frame liquidity sweeps. So I was looking for pretty much anything. Anything was like free game back practically, right? And then I would lower down to the 1 minute to take my actual trade. But right here, it's a little bit different, right? So I just take my trade on the 5 minute after I found a liquidity sweep on the, what is it called, on the 1 hour. So my actual confluences are still the same. So I'm using a fair value gap, a break of structure. So we got a break of structure about right here. So you mark that break of structure. And I used to use equilibrium, but I don't really use it as much to actually enter my actual trade. But I because sometimes it's not really hit and the trade will still like start going. But I'm thinking to start using it again because it gets like more confluence, right? It could be helpful, and I know how to use it for the most part. So you know, might use that. As you can see, we did hit the discount and we went up. This shit was not really like my ideal trade, and the reason I'm not gonna be trading futures is because on trading view is delayed by 10 minutes, and when I take a trade, sometimes like the entry will get messed up. Like I could enter down here, like I could short, like sell down here, but the price would still enter me all the way down here. So then like I would be in drawdown, right? So it would just mess up the whole trade. And because of the delay, like this trade right here was supposed to be worth way more than it actually was. So if I go down here real quick and just show you how the actual, and it won't let me sell or trade anything less than one singular future, and I think it makes sense. I don't really understand futures as much, and I think there might be more to it that I don't understand, which is another reason that I was like been sticking to forex, is because it's like a little bit more simple than the futures, because I think there might be something more to it that I don't understand. And I'll basically just show you like how I did the thing. So if I buy right here, put buy, they updated this thing, and the stop, like I really can't put like a regular stop, especially with these. So my stop would probably be like below here, and then you can see take profit was supposed to be worth more than it actually was. So I entered right here, but as you can see, our realized P&L was only 87, which is why I don't really like trading with like a high account balance, because it's like harder to track, right? I just don't like bigger numbers like that, especially when I'm doing this. It's just a little weird. That's why I prefer trading forex also, because I don't have to trade with like a singular uh, what is called share, right? Which would have to make me what is it called? Use a higher account balance. So with that said, I would just do this. I'm not gonna include commission. I'm gonna reset this. I'm gonna reset it to 5,000. And yep, that's it. And from now on, and for the rest of this week, all my trades are gonna be on future forex. So the Euro USD. So I only have to track two At least from what I think, I'm only gonna have to track two news on Forex Factory, which is gonna be the euro and the US dollar, or US news in Europe. Just pretty much how it works. Just see if there's like news on that. I don't think there's any crazy news tomorrow, but I will have to check before I do take a trade. But that's pretty much it. Just actually switching to Forex right now. I know I've said this like many times, but this is like officially switching to it. Like, and I'm not sure. Let me know if it's like Euro USD isn't like the move, or if I should trade like GBP USD. Yeah, some people do trade this, but I don't think it really matters. I'll have both of them up, but I'm not gonna do that. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.